Hands-on comparison test, Multi-Head CNC Router vs. Linear ATC Machining Center. Which should you choose for custom home furnishing? Many first-time buyers struggle with choosing them for their custom home furnishing business. Today, let's delve into a comparison to help you decide. 1. Key configuration differences and tool changing methods. Multi-Head CNC Router. This machine features 4 independent spindles, with individual power ratings potentially reaching up to 7.5 kilowatts. It selects different tools by rapidly and conveniently switching activation between these spindles. Linear ATC Machining Center. While equipped with only a single spindle, this spindle is typically more powerful, up to 9 kilowatts, and can reach higher speeds up to 24,000 revolutions per minute. Tool changes are performed by the spindle automatically picking up and placing tool holders from a linear tool magazine. 2. Usage and after-sales costs. During daily use, there isn't a marked difference in the operational costs between the two machines. The primary difference in long-term cost relates to the spindles. The cost of repairing or replacing the single, high-performance spindle on a linear ATC machine is higher than a multi-head machine. An important point is that if one spindle on the multi-head machine fails, production can often continue temporarily using the remaining 3 spindles. However, if the single spindle on the linear ATC machine breaks down, the entire machine is out of commission until repaired. This can significantly impact production, especially if it's the only nesting CNC machine in the workshop. 3. Processing speed comparison cabinet production test. This is a point of high interest for many users. We used nesting software to generate the toolpaths for a standard wardrobe cabinet from a single sheet of material, then processed this identical sheet on both machines, ensuring all parameters were set equally. The processing path included operations for fastener holes, dowel holes, back panel grooves, and perimeter cutting. Results. The Multi-Head CNC Router completed in 3 minutes and 56 seconds. The Linear ATC Machining Center completed in 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Across multiple comparison tests with varying panel layouts, the multi-head machine consistently finished approximately 1 minute faster per sheet. If processing, for example, 60 sheets per day, the multi-head machine could save roughly 1 hour of production time compared to the linear ATC. In a standard 8-hour workday, this could equate to processing approximately 10 additional sheets. Summary. Multi-Head CNC Router, specifically developed and optimized for cabinet production. Its rapid spindle switching mechanism makes it significantly faster for tasks involving frequent tool changes common in cabinet making, drilling various hole sizes, grooving, cutting. Linear ATC Machining Center features a larger capacity tool magazine capable of holding diverse tooling, for example, cutters for invisible connectors like lamello, various drill bits, cutting bits, profile or molding cutters simultaneously. This makes it more versatile and better suited for multi-purpose applications, mixed production environments, for example, both cabinets and intricate carving, or other complex machining requirements. Direct purchase recommendations. If you have questions about aspects not covered in this comparison, please feel free to leave a comment and discuss.